the stone.
The alignment must be perfect. Move the next block into position now.
Check the calculations again, the angle is slightly off.
Strike together. Maintain the pace. Push harder. The Pharaoh demands speed.
Heave ho!
Pull harder. It's moving. Get the levers. Heave. Together now. Stop it.
At 33% completion, the third level is finished. Women in white linen are seen in a high-speed blur delivering bread and water to the base. The sun sets and rises in a flicker. Work continues by torchlight. Shadows dance rapidly against the growing stone walls.
Pull. Move the rollers up. Faster. Keep it moving. Pull. Move those blocks. The Pharaoh commands it.
Pull harder! Pull harder!
Higher levels are reached.
Together! Now pull! Keep moving!
We build for the Pharaoh. Push the stone high. Work together. Heave. We have honored the gods. Egypt will remember this day.
Work faster, pull it down. Work faster, pull it down.
Behold the perfection of the horizon of Khufu. The gods have smiled upon our labor.